All right, y'all, check it out. We got another banger, 1989 Mustang 5.0, of course. Convertible. Stay tuned. We'll take you all around it, take on a test drive, get her up on the rack. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So as you can see, this paint, it is a newer paint job. I couldn't tell you exactly when, but it is newer, and it's actually very nice in person. I would probably give it about let's say a 9. It's not too many scratches or too many marks. I'm trying to get close so you can kind of see some of the flakes. Like I said, I like this this color. It shows very well. But other than that, like I said, moving along the side. One dope thing about this, I know you can't see because of the covers for the wheels, but it has been converted to a 5 lug. So for people that, you know, mess with 5.0s, a lot of times they are 4 lug wheels. Makes it a little bit harder to find wheels. This has been converted to a 5 lug. Moving along the side, all the body moldings, trim is intact. Along the wheel wells, the arches, like I said, everything is intact. Looking down there, she does appear to be pretty straight. Not seeing any big dents, dings, all down the passenger side. I didn't see any scratches or anything to point out. Moving along the rear, all along the trunk, the trim and everything seems to be in pretty solid condition. A little bit of paint peeling around the third brake light. That's just some simple touch-up paint. Probably a satin black will take care of that. Coming around the trunk, a little tiny bit of a scratch here. Again, at 4 feet, you don't even see it. Bumper is super solid. No cracks, indentations, or anything like that to show any accidents or just people backing into things. Down the driver's side, she appears to be pretty straight. And again, paint shows very well. All the trim, everything is intact. Of course, the emblems, the 5.0, all of that's intact. Coming around the front, headlights are in excellent condition. I don't want to say they're newer, but I don't see any oxidation, any fogginess or anything. So I would assume they had to have been replaced at some time. Same thing with the fog lights. Front bumper is in good condition. There's no dents or anything. Just have your normal marring that comes from things kicking up on the road. Let me grab the keys. We'll go ahead and pop the trunk and then look under the hood. Give me a second. All right. I don't know what I'm doing while the hood ain't coming out. I mean the key. All right, y'all, so if you've been watching, you know I normally don't pause because I don't want y'all to think that, you know, we skipping out on anything or editing or anything, but I had to because first I couldn't get the hood open with one hand and put the prop up, and I didn't want to leave you guys set down. So got the hood open. As you can see, it's relatively clean under here. We got a cold air intake installed, a new higher amperage alternator. I couldn't tell you if anything's been done to the motor, but I can tell you that she sounds phenomenal. But other than that, everything is relatively clean underneath. We'll go ahead and pop the trunk. Trunk is super clean. I'm gonna tell you, I really don't know. I was about to say these T-top bags, but I know this is for the convertible top. So that's just your little parade boot kind of. Not sure what the other one is unless it's a spare tire that's just not back here. But overall, trunk is in good condition. Weather seals are intact. They did a good job painting in the jams and everything, so trunk is good. Next, we're going to go ahead and check out the interior. I know if y'all watched, obviously you've been watching since the beginning, you saw that I was struggling with this key. So I'm going to show you so you don't do the same thing that I did. So as you see, I put the key in. I can't turn back to unlock it. There is a little button under here. All I'm gonna do is just push that button up, and then I can turn the key back and it comes out. So I don't know why all the 5.0s don't have that, because I know the last one we had didn't, and a couple of them before did. That's why I kind of forgot about it. But either way, back to the interior. Door panel in pretty solid condition, no discoloration. All of the windows, locks, and everything do work. Coming through the door jambs, pretty solid. Looks as though the door jambs are original paint and it wasn't redone when it was painted, because I'm not seeing that same fleck, but still clean. Interior wise, carpet is in excellent condition. Driver's seat is good, especially for this gray, not having stains and things. Rear seat, excellent as well. No rips, no tears, no stains. Looking at the door panels, nothing special there. No cracks or anything in the vinyl. Center console is in good condition. We don't have any weathering or anything. She does have a what is it? A WorldStar 5-speed, so brand new transmission. Non-AC equipped. Heat does work. Dash reads 85,641. Dash is in good condition. All the lights do work. Obviously, you'll see once we go on the test drive. Let me go ahead and go over to the passenger side. Passenger side, more of the same. Again, seat is in excellent condition. We don't have any rips, no tears, no stains, no fraying threads or anything like that. Passenger side dash is in good condition as well. Door jambs, not seeing any type of rust or anything. Passenger door panel, same as the driver's, same quality. And there we go. So pretty clean on the inside. When we go on a test drive, you know, you'll hear how she sounds, and then we'll also make sure that we show the top going up. There's no issues with the tops, and it's in great condition. All right, y'all, we got the Mustang GT up on the rack. Starting with the rear, again, the bumper does seem to be in great condition even once on the rack. We don't have anything up here. A little bit of probably just curb rash from going up the driveway, but that's to be expected. Trunk pans and gas tank appear to be in great condition. No signs of surface rust or anything. And I don't think there's a coating on here, so looks pretty good. No drips from the gas can. The rear diff seems, let me wait to go under there so y'all can see. Rear diff seems pretty solid. We got drum brakes in the back, obviously just your shocks and springs. Rear sway bar. The exhaust does dump out right at the axles. Again, running 373 gears and motion axles. Exhaust, nothing really to write home about, just basic. Floor pans themselves appear to be in good condition. I don't see anything that would indicate soft spots. Obviously no patchwork or anything's been cut out. Coming to this driver's side, same here. Solid. A little bit of surface rust, or just dirt, nothing really. Frame itself looks excellent. I'm not seeing any dents, curves, or anything that shows any type of accidents or straightening of any kind. Transmission and oil pan appears to be clean. I'm not seeing any type of leaks or anything. Nothing on the floor. Coming to the front, there are disc brakes in the front and nothing done to the suspension. All appears to be stock. Radiator and everything, nothing shows any signs of leaks. A little bit of surface rust, but actually it's probably just dirt because that's plastic. Front bumper, kind of what you expect on, you know, these super low cars. Obviously we got curb rash coming along, but that's all underneath, so you don't see that anyway. But you can tell that's just from driveways. So relatively clean underneath. Coming along the passenger side, bodywork is solid. All four tires are Nexen radials. Tire depth is really good. I'm not gonna say they're new, but they are in excellent shape. Again, 5-lug conversion on the wheels. Wheel well solid. Body panels and the frame looks pretty good. A little bit of curb rash here, but again, to be expected with how low it is. Rear tire, same as the front. We have no curb rash, scratches of any kind. Let's go ahead and move along to the driver's side. Driver's side, more of the same. Wheel wells are good. No issues with the wheels or tires. Following the frame. A little bit more, again, curb rash, again, just because of how low the cars sit. But frame is excellent. And not, again, I'm just gonna say it, I'm not sure how long ago this car was painted, but they did a relatively good job, honestly. Like, it holds up well and the color is beautiful. So I ended up putting the car on the rack before actually showing the top going up and down. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Give me one moment. I guess it makes sense to find the keys first. So again, like I said, zero issues with the top. I'll get it locked in. It's not a line, but hard to do it with one hand. But again, you see the top works. So, all right. So if you're interested in this 89 Mustang 5.0, just make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Make sure you check us out on at Rolling Museums on Instagram. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below.